Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Meeta Jatia and I welcome you to my channel Down Your Alley, where I make videos on makeup and skincare. So today I'm going to be talking about my morning skincare routine, which comprises of 6 steps. So in case you like the video, you find it helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now since my skin is oily and acne prone, I prefer using face washes which are either foam based or gel based. Currently I've been using these particular face washes. One is the Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash. Now this is a gel based face wash which does not dry out my skin. It takes out all the impurities and gunk and it keeps pimples at bay. The second product that I have really been enjoying is the Orange Face Wash by this company called the Bubble Farm. Now this does not have any harmful chemicals, no sulfates, no parabens, no minerals, and it is a handmade product. Again, this does not dry out my skin. It takes away all the dirt, the gunk and the impurities, leaving my skin squeaky clean. The second step to my skincare routine in the morning is the use of a toner. Currently, I am using the Plum alcohol-free green tea toner. This is again a very gentle, mild toner. It really cleans your skin and it does not cause any redness. Now the third step to my morning skincare routine is the use of a hyaluronic acid serum. Currently, I have been using the hyaluronic acid serum by The Ordinary. Now I cannot rave enough about this product. I've already finished 4 bottles of this particular product and I'm on the 5th one. Now what a hyaluronic acid serum does is that it really hydrates your skin. It leaves it supple and moisturized, like as if you've had 10 glasses of water. Now sadly, The Ordinary is not readily available in India, but there are a lot of Instagram handles which are now selling this particular product. I'll leave down the link below in the description box where you guys can purchase this particular product. The fourth step to my skincare routine is the use of a vitamin C serum. Now what a vitamin C serum does is that it really brightens up your skin. It adds a beautiful glow. It takes care of hyperpigmentation and it evens out your skin tone. Currently, I've been using these 2 particular vitamin C serums. The first one being from Makeup Revolution. This has a 12.5% vitamin C. The second product that I'm really enjoying is by the Inky List. So now the Inky List is not readily again available in India, but the Makeup Revolution although is, and you can buy it from hawkmakeup.com. The next step in my skincare routine in the morning is a moisturizer. Now currently I have been using the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I cannot rave enough about this particular product again, guys. This is a beautiful product. It is so light on the skin. It is moisturizing, gel based, and it easily blends into your skin. A very, very nice product. It keeps your skin nice and hydrated. The last and final step to my morning skincare routine is of course a sunscreen. Now for the longest time I have been using the Matte Gel Sunscreen by Lotus. I don't have the product right now to show you. I've already gotten rid of it. But the other product that I've been really enjoying is the sunscreen by TBC. It is an organic company. And I actually bought this particular product to try because I wanted something to throw into my bag when I wanted to reapply sunscreen over makeup. And this is actually a very, very nice discovery. It is so light onto their skin. It does not give you a white cast. And it's very cheap. It's for about $250. So you guys can really check it out. It's really nice. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you found the video helpful. Until next time, bye bye.